EagleRidge, Utah, bathroom remodeling services in Draper. EagleRidge, Utah, your bathroom remodeling expert in Draper, Utah. For homeowners in Draper, Utah, EagleRidge UT is the go-to choice for bathroom remodeling. Serving the 84020 and 84090 zip codes, we offer a full range of remodeling services, from design and planning to installation and final cleanup. Our experienced team handles everything, including plumbing, electrical work, tiling, and fixture replacements. We specialize in bathtubs, showers, countertops, vanities, flooring, mirrors, and custom cabinetry. EagleRidge is committed to delivering high-quality results on time and within budget. Whether you're upgrading your bathroom with modern features like heated flooring and smart technology, or making accessibility improvements like walk-in tubs and grab bars, we've got you covered. Our process starts with a consultation to understand your needs and vision. We then develop a plan that meets your style and budget. With a focus on high-quality materials and craftsmanship, we ensure a bathroom that's both functional and beautiful, boosting your home's value. Contact EagleRidge today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate and start your bathroom transformation with experts who care about your project. We'll bring your dream bathroom to life. Why choose EagleRidge, Utah? Choose EagleRidge for reliable, expert bathroom remodeling that's completed on time and within budget. We provide personalized service and exceptional craftsmanship that you can count on. Call us now for your free consultation